naturally you are terrified. Because you think he's a spook, a ghost, a spirit. So Jesus wants to assure them that he's not what they are thinking. They are thinking he has come back from the dead, resurrected. So he says, Unzuru ila yadayya wa rijlayya. Says, behold my hands and my feet. Inni ana huwa. I am the same fellow man. What's wrong with you fools? Can't you see? Inni, most certainly I, ana huwa. Husuni wanzuru. Say, handle me and see. فَإِنَّ الرُّوحَ لَيْسَ لَهُ لَمٌ وَإِزَامٌ. For a spirit has no flesh and bones, as you see me have. And they felt him. And they believed not for joy. Means they were overjoyed. And wondered, what happened, man? We thought the man was dead and buried. So he says, to assure them further, that this is not what they're thinking, he says, أَإِنْدَكُمْ هَاهُنَا طَعَامٌ. Have you got here anything to eat? فَنَاوَلُوهُ جُزْءًا مِّن سَمَكٍ وَشَيْئًا مِّن شَهَدِ عَسَلٍ فَأَخَذَا وَأَكَلَ قُدَّامَهُمْ. And they gave him a piece of broiled fish and a honeycomb, and he took it and he ate in the very sight to prove what? There is a ghost, he's a spook, he's a spirit. What is he proving? I'm a same fellow man, damn fools, what are you afraid of me for? This is what he's proving to them. He's telling them that he's not what you are thinking. And yet you said, no, he is. He said he's not a spirit, you say he is. Amazing, amazing sense of logic reasoning. The man is telling you, I'm not, you say he is. Jesus says, I'm not God, I'm a servant of God, you say, no, he's God. Jesus says, I don't know about the Yawm al-Qiyamah, they say, no, he knows. Jesus says, I can't do everything of my own self, they say, no, he can do everything. I say, what's wrong with you people? The man is telling you, I don't know. The man is telling you, I'm the same fellow. And you say, no, he's a spirit. He says, he's not a spirit, you say, he's a spirit. I want to know whether you understand English. I don't know Ghanaian, otherwise I've told you in the Ghanaian language. Okay? A spirit has no flesh and bones. Why does he tell you a spirit has no flesh and bones? Look, it's an axiomatic truth. Everybody agrees. Whether Hindu, Jew, atheist, agnostic, spirit has no flesh and bones. So why must he tell you that? Because you are thinking that he is. He said he is not that. And he's eating broiled fish and honeycomb. Do resurrected bodies eat broiled fish and honeycomb? Do they? That when we wake up, Yawm al-Qiyamah, everybody eating broiled fish and honeycomb? Is that what it is? So what is this? The man is telling you he is not, and you say, no, he is. I said, this is this. The Quran discussed. Jesus said, seeing they see not, hearing they hear not, neither do they understand. The Quran confirms that. It's a summum bukmun umyun fahum la yarji'un. Deaf, dumb and blind, they will not return to the path. Always.